the Ramos brothers, Nello and Gino, away for life. So how do I know you're not Chivato Turco?
Hey, Sosa. Let's get this straight now. I never fucked anybody over in my life. Didn't have it coming to me. You got that? All I have in this world is my balls and my word. And I don't break them for no one. Do you understand? That piece of shit up there, I never liked him. I never trusted him. For all I know, he had me set up and had my friend Angel Fernandez killed. But that's history. I hear he's not. Do you want to go on with me? You say it. You don't? Then you make a move.
I think you speak from the heart, Montano.